Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this digital age, the internet is not just a tool for communication or entertainment, it's a goldmine of opportunities. With the right skills, strategies, and a bit of hustle, you can turn the virtual world into a treasure trove. From freelancing to cryptocurrency trading, there are myriad ways to generate income online. So are you ready to explore this brave new world of earning? Stay tuned as we dive into the top 10 ways to make money online. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to earn money online, and it's becoming an increasingly popular choice for many. You see, the beauty of freelancing is its versatility. There are numerous platforms where you can offer your services, including Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. And what services can you offer? Well, the sky's the limit. If you're a wordsmith, you can offer writing services. If you're a whiz with Adobe, graphic design might be your forte. And if you're a programming expert, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms, set your own hours, and choose the projects that interest you. Plus, it's a great way to build a portfolio and gain experience in your field. So if you have a skill, why not monetize it? With freelancing, you can turn your skills into a profitable online business. Coming up at number 9, we have online tutoring. The rise of online tutoring in recent years has been nothing short of phenomenal. With the advent of the digital age and the global shift towards remote work and learning, platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com have become popular destinations for both tutors and learners. It doesn't matter whether you're a math whiz, a science buff, or a language guru. There's always someone out there looking to learn what you know. And guess what? They're willing to pay for it. The subjects in demand range from basic elementary topics to advanced university-level courses, and everything in between. The potential earnings? Well, they're quite impressive. Tutors can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise and the complexity of the subject matter. Online tutoring not only allows you to share your knowledge, but also provides an avenue for you to earn money. It's a win-win situation. Online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge while earning money. At number 8, we have selling products online. Imagine your own virtual storefront open to customers around the globe at any hour. That's the beauty of selling products online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon can be your marketplace where you can sell anything from handmade crafts to retail items. Consider Etsy if you're artistically inclined. Here you can sell your unique creations, from jewelry to home decor. eBay, on the other hand, is perfect for selling collectibles, vintage items, and even everyday products. And then there's Amazon, the behemoth of online retail. Whether you're selling brand new items or gently used ones, Amazon can be your ticket to reaching a vast customer base. Both handmade and retail products have their own potential. It's all about finding your niche, understanding your audience, and marketing your products effectively. With a bit of creativity, selling products online can be a lucrative business. Number 7 on our list is affiliate marketing. Imagine being the middleman in a transaction, but without the hassle of inventory or shipping. That's affiliate marketing for you. You promote other people's products or services on your platform, and every time a sale is made through your referral link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Affiliates and ClickBank are popular choices for starting your affiliate marketing journey. Potential earnings? They can range from a few dollars to thousands, depending on your niche and audience size. However, and this is crucial, success in affiliate marketing requires a strong online presence. You need to build trust with your audience. Be it through a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media page, having a platform where you can reach and interact with people is paramount. So, if you have an audience and are looking to monetize it, affiliate marketing may be your golden ticket. Affiliate marketing can be a great source of passive income. Coming in at number 6, we have blogging. Now, blogging might seem like an old-fashioned approach, but trust me, it's very much alive and kicking. With the right strategy, your blog could become a significant source of income. Your blog is your platform, your voice to the world. It allows you to share your expertise, opinions, and passion with others. And the best part, you can monetize it. Through advertising revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing, you can turn your blog into a profitable enterprise. Think about successful blogs like TechCrunch or Mashable. They started as simple blogs, but they are now multi-million-dollar businesses. It's all about creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. And remember, consistency is key. The more you post, the more opportunities you have to earn. Blogging isn't just about writing, it's about building a community, connecting with your audience, and making a difference. And yes, making money too. Blogging allows you to share your passion and make money doing it. At number 5, we have starting a YouTube channel. This platform has seen an explosion of creativity and talent in the past few years. It's a space where you can share your passions, your insights, and your life, all while generating income. There are multiple ways to monetize a YouTube channel. One of the most common ways is through ad revenue. Every time a viewer watches an ad on your video, you earn a small amount. Another avenue is through sponsorships. Companies may pay you to feature their product in your video or simply give them a shout-out. Successful YouTubers like Jenna Marbles and Casey Neistat have built their careers on this platform. They've curated a loyal fan base, which is another source of income through fan donations and merchandise sales. Starting a YouTube channel isn't just about making money, it's about creating content that you love and sharing it with the world. And who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable venture. Number 4 on our list is online surveys and reviews. In the digital age, your opinion has value. Companies are willing to pay for your thoughts on their products and services. Online surveys and reviews provide an opportunity to monetize your time and opinions. Websites like Swagbucks and Vindale Research offer a platform for this. You might be wondering, how does this work? Simply, you sign up on these platforms, start taking surveys or writing reviews, and earn rewards. Each survey or review pays differently depending on its length and complexity. Now, let's talk potential earnings. While this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, the earnings can add up over time. You might earn a few dollars per survey, and with consistency, you can make a decent side income. Remember, every bit counts when you're building your online income streams. Online surveys and reviews can be a quick way to make some extra cash. Coming in at number 3, we have stock and forex trading. This is a dynamic world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. The stock market is a place where companies sell shares of their businesses, and you, as an investor, can buy or sell these shares. On the other hand, forex trading involves the buying and selling of currencies. Platforms like e*trade and Forex.com have made it easier than ever to get started. They offer tools and resources to guide you on your journey. However, it's important to remember that trading is not a guaranteed way to make money. It involves substantial risks and requires a good understanding of the market. The highs can be high, and the lows can be quite low. It's a game of strategy, patience, and discipline. But with the right knowledge, careful study, and disciplined approach, stock and forex trading can be very profitable. So if you're up for the challenge, this could be your path to financial freedom. At number 2, we have online gaming. Now, you might think gaming is just a hobby, but it can actually be a lucrative career path. With platforms like Twitch and YouTube, you can stream your gameplay and build a fan base. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to support you financially. Many gamers earn money through fan donations. These are often given as tokens of appreciation, as fans enjoy watching their favorite gamers excel. Sponsorships are another way to cash in. Companies are always on the lookout for popular gamers to promote their products. And let's not forget about ad revenue. If you have a significant number of views on your streams or videos, advertisers will pay to have their ads shown to your audience. The beauty of online gaming is that you can make money doing something you love. And who wouldn't want that? Online gaming can turn your hobby into a lucrative career. And finally, at number 1, we have cryptocurrency trading. This digital frontier is becoming a major player in the world of finance, with platforms like Coinbase and Binance leading the charge. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital assets, hoping to profit from price fluctuations. It's similar to trading stocks, but with a digital twist. Now, it's essential to remember that while the potential for high rewards is real, the risks are equally present. Cryptocurrency markets are notorious for their volatility. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. This volatility, however, is what makes it so attractive to traders. The rapid shifts can mean significant profits for those who know how to navigate the market. It's crucial to do your research and stay informed about market trends. Trading platforms often provide resources and tools to help you make informed decisions. With due diligence, cryptocurrency trading can lead to significant profits. So, there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money online. We've journeyed through freelancing, online tutoring, selling products, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube channels, online surveys, stock and forex trading, online gaming, and cryptocurrency trading. Each of these avenues holds the potential to generate a significant income, all courtesy of the vast digital world. The internet is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Now it's your turn to take advantage of these opportunities and start making money online.